Hello and welcome to Scheduling Magic, where hopefully I make your guys' lives a lot easier as it did mine. This is a great tool for making schedules, and I will give you a quick walkthrough on how to do it. So when you pull up Scheduling Magic, it'll show right here with no names, and so you just go in and you put in, all the names of your employees or RAs. Um, and you can go ahead and you can put in whatever colors you want to use. Um, you know, you can fill in, and it'll only use those colors. So if we go to January, you might say, "Where's George?" Which is a great question. So the first thing you do is you click Choose Assignments, and it'll go ahead and extend um, the names to where it should be. Um, so this went ahead and made a schedule for us, but the biggest issue a lot of times with making schedules is when people ask off. So what you can do is you can go down here and you can put in days that people asked off. You can put pretty much, as many as you want in here, and it will avoid those days. Um, it takes a second longer or so. And so what's really nice, we can go in here and we can say, okay, George only has 3 clocks, okay, and Joe has 7. So let's take one of Joe's and put in George. Um, and there we go, and it'll just change the numbers. It's darker when it's a higher number, and it's a little lighter when it's a lower number. And so let's see. So John is unable to do the first, but if we put him here, it'll tell us there's an error, and it'll tell us where. It says it's John. Let's see. Yep, John can't do the first. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We can say, okay, well, we'll give it to Brandon. Looks like Brandon can do the first, which is great. If we end up not liking this and we want a new schedule, we just click New, Choose Assignments again, and it'll go ahead through it, and it'll choose new ones for us. Um, this little feature right here, this it makes it so that people aren't having back-to-back assignments. If it's truly random, a lot of times there will be 2 or 3 in a row. Um, so I personally like this tool, but sometimes it can take a little bit longer to find the schedule that you're looking for. Um, so this is set up for February. It says January here, so let's change it to 31. I think there's 31 days in January. Now, if we choose assignments, it'll go down through, and it's not going to stop at 28. It's going to go down to 31. And so, yeah, this is a great little tool. I hope it helps you guys a lot. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps.